first fit. I actually went for an Astro Boy styling.
So has fashion run out of ideas? mschf's recent release of the Big Red boots, or better known as the Astro Boy boots, has made headlines being one of the craziest releases of this year. The boots have made rounds on social media with people having mixed feelings about the said boots. Definitely mschf is not the pioneer of silly looking sneakers. In the past we have seen some goofy ones such as the Imran potato slip-ons, which is literally a clog that is shaped as a foot, Lowe's grass sneakers, and Drake's Nocta scuba diving slides, to name a few. But despite being first to create odd-looking footwear, the aforementioned goofy sneakers are nothing compared to the notoriety that mschf's red boot was able to achieve. Right even before the boots, mschf is known for its controversial concepts such as its Air Max 95 in collaboration with Lil Nas X and the Wavy Baby, which is in collaboration with Tyga. Though controversial, these sneakers are still considered to be regular and normal by regular fashion standards. It is something you do not see every day for sure. mschf really took thinking outside the box to a whole new level. But why? Is this all a marketing stunt to gain more publicity? For the most part, mschf has really banked on creating odd and crazy creations that have brought them some notoriety, and regardless of whether people like their product or not, they got the attention they wanted. And as it seems, the all press is good press philosophy has worked to their advantage and has led to mschf's overall virality. And it is not a surprise why other sneaker brands followed suit, making silly looking sneakers desperate to go viral. And I am not gonna lie, upon seeing the Big Red boots for the first time online, I was both, what the f are those, and those are pretty cool, simply because it is a shoe that I do not see every day. There's no denying that this move by mschf and any other brands to make odd looking sneakers is to draw attention to achieve virality and notoriety, as it is substantial for a brand to go viral to make waves and make a profound impact on the fashion scene. And the move by mschf with its red boots is a smart one, as it kept everyone talking about the boots and has established its notoriety. But the issue is, when something goes viral, it tends to fade away and everyone's going to forget about it sooner than later. So is it worth it for brands to desperately go viral now, and is it going to be sustainable in the long run? And let's be honest, anyone who's trying to get the red boots or the Imran potato slip-ons or any other sneakers of the like is in it for the likes and the 15 minutes of fame. After posting it on Instagram and TikTok, it will likely be not worth anymore. And coming from a fashion creator myself, I would love to get my hands on the red boots just to create content about it and nothing more, because I know that that type of content is what's going to sell, and technically that is why I am making this video right now. But personally, I won't wear it because it just looks stupid and funny on me. In practicality wise, we all wear shoes for practical benefits for everyday use. We wear shoes to provide support and comfort for walking and for standing long hours on our feet. And also for functional reasons, we wear specifically designed shoes for specific activities. But the Astro Boy boots nor the potato sandals serve no practical and functional use other than the goofy looks. And imagine paying $350 for these boots just to give you a hard time taking them off of your feet. But I do understand that everyone is not buying this for practical and functional reasons. Some may get this to add to their collections as sneaker collectors, and that is totally okay. I am just stating a mere fact that the red boots have no practical everyday use for the most of us. And the widespread increase in these types of sneakers adds to the issue of sustainability, as we all know that the fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters of the environment. As I mentioned earlier, these shoes are likely to be worn only once and will be stowed away for good, and thus becomes waste. As consumers, we dump things that we no longer have practical use for. And I am not generalizing this for everyone, but 90% of us will definitely have no practical use for the red boots and thus dump it since we have no use for it. Though I may not be a big fan of these silly looking sneakers, I am still impressed with how these brands actually came up with these. After all, fashion is an art and it will keep evolving in one way or another, and that is good. Let's not forget how Kanye paved a way for his Yeezy sneakers that are not considered to be conventional in terms of how they look. We all love his foam runners, which were once considered to be alien shoes, and now most brands follow the same thing. Innovation is what keeps fashion moving forward. Without pushing the boundaries, we won't be able to discover what fashion has in store for us. And sometimes the craziest ideas are the ones that make breakthroughs and turn out to be right. What do you guys think of the Astro Boy boots and the other sneakers of the like, such as the Imran potato slip-ons? Are you guys a fan? Do you guys see yourselves rocking them? Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Also, if you like this video, smash the like button to help the channel and the brother out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and until next time, stay safe, stay fitted, peace.